Today we will look at two very interesting and widely used visualizations of Seaborn called Boxplot and Countplot. Seaborn's Boxplot is a convenient way to visualize the distribution of a continuous variable, or multiple continuous variables, through their quartiles. The Boxplot displays a box that represents the interquartile range of the data, with a line inside the box indicating the median. The whiskers extend to show the range of the data, excluding outliers which are plotted as individual points. Boxplots are useful for detecting outliers and comparing the distribution of different groups of data. Seaborn's Countplot is used to show the counts of observations in each category of a categorical variable. It is a great way to quickly understand the distribution of categorical data and compare the frequencies of different categories. The Countplot displays bars, where the height of each bar represents the number of observations in that category. Let's start. Make sure to import the baseline packages of Python before starting this module. You can use getDatasetNames function to fetch list of all built-in datasets of Seaborn. For implementing Boxplot, we will use the built-in dataset of taxis. Load the dataset and assign it to data frame variable called trips. Run the head function to explore the data. Let's implement the Boxplot function. You can always use Shift plus Tab within function arguments to look at complete arguments of a function in Seaborn. Let's visualize the total fare by assigning it to y parameter of Boxplot function. Great! You can see that this distribution has fair amount of outlier values. Let's now break this distribution as per the pickup location. Assign pickup location to x parameter and hit Shift plus Enter to rerun the function. Good job! Here we see that Queen's location has higher total fare and outlier values as compared to other three locations. Now let's implement the other function called Countplot. Load the dataset penguins and run the head function to look at the data. Let's see the frequency of occurrence of species. Great! Here we see the species Adelie has comparatively more samples than other two species. Let's do it one more time for trips dataset. Here we wish to see the frequency of occurrence of pickup location. Good work! The Countplot shows that Manhattan had the highest number of recorded trips. With this module we come to the end of Seaborn basic visualizations. We will shortly start machine learning course, where we will build predictive models and do exploratory data analysis based on knowledge that we gained in this section. Stay tuned for the updates.